Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the RELIDOL X62 drone, a foldable quadcopter that seems designed with beginners, kids, and adults just starting out in mind. It comes in black and packs a surprising number of features for its size and target audience. One of the first things you notice is how easy it aims to be. It has a one-key start function, which is perfect for getting it airborne without fumbling. The drone also features an upgraded hover system, meaning once it's up, it should hold its altitude pretty steadily. This stability is a big help for new pilots trying to get the hang of controls, and also for capturing decent footage. Being lightweight and portable, plus not requiring FAA registration, makes it super convenient for flying both indoors and out, though they do recommend starting in a windless indoor space to get the feel for it. It's equipped with a 1080p HD camera that has an 80-degree adjustable lens. This lets you see things from a bird's eye view and is even marketed as useful for checking hard-to-reach places like a roof. You can see the real-time feed through an app on your phone, which is a cool feature. The camera also supports gesture control for taking photos or videos automatically. And there are functions like tap to fly and fly in circles, where the drone will follow movement or a path you set in the app. For control, you're not limited to just the standard remote. You can also fly it using the dedicated app or even simple voice commands like take off. Beyond basic flight, it includes fun maneuvers like one-click 360-degree flips and 3D flips. There are also features like waypoint flying, gravity control, circle fly, and 3-speed gears to adjust to your skill level. Safety features are also present, which is important, especially for a beginner drone. It has propeller guards, an emergency stop function, overcurrent protection, a child lock, and a low power alarm. Powering the flight are 2 included batteries, which together provide up to 25 minutes of flying time. The controller itself has a built-in rechargeable battery and comes with USB charging cables for both the drone batteries and the controller. The package includes spare propeller blades and the propeller guards, along with detailed instructions to help you get started. The company also mentioned support is available if you run into issues. Overall, it presents itself as a very accessible and feature-rich option for anyone looking to get into flying drones without a steep learning curve.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.